Hi, and welcome to Tip of the Month. My name is Patrick, and I'm Customer Relations Advisor here at Emply. And today, we're going to have a look at how you can use parameters to create conditions and flexibility in the way you structure your forms. Let's get started. So, for this example, I have chosen to create a new application form for a variety of hirings for a fictitious amusement park I have chosen to call Wonderland. In this specific case, I have a candidate who has filled out their personal information, and now I would like for them to open the next part of the application form, which I have chosen to call Working at Wonderland. Here there are different elements I would like for the candidate to answer in order for me to determine whether or not they are a suitable candidate. The initial part here you will be able to see is regarding their previous experience. Now, some of these elements might not be very relevant for the individual candidate. If they have chosen to say no, then these questions might not actually be relevant at all. So if we take a look at the form in question, I have the same tab here with the different element questions, and I would now like to structure it differently so I can actually use parameters to show what I want to show and when I want to show it. So display parameters. Here you can see I have already created some, but I would like to create additional. So what I do is I go up in the top and I say add parameter, and it will pop up in the bottom. Now I would like this to be removed unless one of the candidates answers this question correctly. So I go down and I find the element in question. Where were you employed? Now I want this element to be hidden until, and that is the parameter part of it, until one has answered the previous question with a yes. So now this disappears from the form, and it will also disappear from the form for the candidate if they do not choose yes. That's the way you can structure it in a way that makes it more suitable for the individual candidate process. Just to give an example, my candidate now has chosen different elements. I have said no. This is not updated yet, but just you can see if I do this. If I like to work at the attraction part, for instance, another question pops up. So I'm able to specify where I would like to work. But also, if I choose maintenance, another question pops up. Do you have technical experience? And so forth. So this is the general idea of how you use parameters, because this will be able to facilitate a more structured and more flexible way of you to use one form for multiple purposes. Thank you for watching this tip of the month. If you need more information about the subject, visit our help center and search for the keyword parameter. If you have any other suggestions on what we should cover next, make sure to email us at marketing@emply.com. See you next time.